Welcome to our place in Sofia. I wanted to give you a quick tour of the little, I guess it's like an apartment that we rented. Studio apartment that we rented for the next 3 nights. So here you go. If you take a look around, you can already see it's really interestingly decorated. I'm mostly saying these wall maps and everything are kind of interesting. But other than that, it's actually pretty well done. So I kind of like that. You can see we have a really comfy bed here, which they've laid out all of these little bow tie things, which is kind of nice. And then back over here, we have plenty of closet space in here. So you can, and a comforter, because Michelle needs a comforter at night. And then another thing you'll notice right away is you got this like nice big TV here. So we checked it, and it actually has like all the Bulgarian channels apparently. So especially lots of music channels here. But you've got this little, I don't know what this is. What do you call these? Like a little countertop? Breakfast nook? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Breakfast nook. And the kitchen, of course. One thing to note is we actually have a washer in here. So if we need to do any laundry, which we most likely will, because we'll be here for 3 nights before we head on to our next location. So it usually means laundry. And also, if you'll notice, there's a hidden little thing here, which is the dishwasher, which is a rarity because we haven't seen this one yet, which is kind of nice. Also, you got a nice stove here, kind of fancy one. There's not even any knobs, you just like press some buttons. And another little hidden thing here, we got a refrigerator. And a decent sized one too, so if you were to stay here for more than 3 nights like we are, you'd have plenty of room for all of your grocery needs. And of course a microwave, because little Miss Michelle here behind the camera requires popcorn, and lots of microwave popcorn right here. She's giving me a funny look. She doesn't like me calling her
Little Miss Michelle? What the heck?
I was trying to spice it up a little bit. All right, so there's also a really comfy couch, and we have this little added touch here. As I said, this is kind of a unique look here, but we've got this like kind of fake greenery here, which is, I guess it's nice, right? So pretty cool. Additionally, there is a window here. It's mostly like kind of looking into a courtyard, but also the TV, it swivels, so you can actually kind of watch television from anywhere in the room really easily, which is nice too. And of course, we have to show you the bathroom, because that is a really important thing. And this one it's pretty cool. There's even a little yellow duck on the ground. So kind of like that. But the best thing is look at this, man. This shower is huge.
And it has a door.
Yeah. And a door. We didn't have a door in our last shower. Actually, our last 2 showers that we've stayed at in Bulgaria didn't have doors.
Just went everywhere.
Yeah, water just went everywhere. You just mopped everything up. But yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, we're real excited to spend the next couple of days here and check it out. So a little bit of information. We actually booked it through, I think it was booking.com, but I believe it's also available on, it might be on Vrbo as well. But nonetheless, we'll put a link in the description here if you want to check this place out too. If you're ever in Sofia, you can use that link and book the same place that we did. It was actually fairly reasonably priced. I'm trying to think, I think it was 300 lev. Now of course this can change, but when we booked, and we're in September, it was about 300 lev, which is about 150, 55 bucks, 160, something like that, US. For 3 nights, so it's not too bad. I think that's it, guys. So I think what we're gonna do now is go grab some food, because we just traveled all day here from Bansko, and it is time for a little bit of food and maybe
some
wine. You require wine?
And maybe some TV.
Yeah, there you go. And a little TV time, do some chilling on one of the 1,000 different streaming networks that we apparently have. So I don't know, we'll pick one. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you learned something. Maybe you'll check this place out too. If you end up doing that, let us know in the comments. And other than that, happy wandering. See you later.